Viewers, the Pakistan High Commission has sent cartons of mangoes to 7 Indian MPs: Rahul Gandhi, Kapil Sibal, Shashi Tharoor, Mohibullah Nadwi, Zia-ur-Rahman Berg, Afzal Ansari and Iqra Hassan. Okay, getting these big updates coming in right now to Republic, where 7 Indian MPs have got mangoes from the Pakistan High Commission, and you can see who those MPs are on your screen. We are getting those details where Rahul Gandhi, Kapil Sibal, Shashi Tharoor, Mohibullah Nadwi, Zia-ur-Rahman Berg, Afzal Ansari, Iqra Hassan, all these MPs have got mangoes. I just want to go straight across to my colleague who's joining us live. Samiksha is joining us live. Samiksha, you know, mangoes are being sent to 7 Indian MPs, and this is coming in as Bangladesh is in turmoil, and there seems to be a foreign hand which has been alleged. Most probably the foreign hand being alleged, according to our sources and the reactions we have got, is from Pakistan, from the ISI. Take us through the details that at this point of time, why are 7 Indian MPs getting mangoes?
Well, Shivangi, let's put this in context first. The Pakistan High Commission reaching out to the Congress leaders back home comes in the backdrop of the volatile situation in Bangladesh. There are targeted attacks on Hindus being carried out. ISKCON, Kali Temple in Bangladesh districts are being attacked, vandalized by the extremist leaders in the country. And that being said, such news that's now coming in that mangoes are being sent by the Pakistan High Commission to Congress leaders including LOP Rahul Gandhi, Kapil Sibal, Shashi Tharoor, Mohibullah Nadwi, Zia-ur-Rahman Berg, Afzal Ansari and Iqra Hassan among others. So all in all, 7 MPs who are in touch with the Pakistan High Commission. That being said, Shivangi, also to highlight here the remarks that have now come in from Salman Khurshid, the Congress leader, who says that the situation in Bangladesh is similar to what's happening in India and could even, transpire to something more adverse in the coming days. That being said, also to add here that there has been a soft corner by Pakistan for the Congress leaders. We saw what happened during the Lok Sabha elections as well, when there were back-to-back posts being put out by the PTI leaders, by other political leaders in favor of LOP Rahul Gandhi as well. So yes, this is a clear attempt on part of Pakistan to ensure that they are in good terms with the Congress leaders. This being said, that 7, let's also add here that these are 7 Indian MPs who are said to be in touch with the Pakistan High Commission. These are Rahul Gandhi, Kapil Sibal, Shashi Tharoor and Iqra Hassan among others. Shima.